So in this video, you'll learn how to enable predictive text on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So whenever you're using your keyboard on your phone and you start typing something out, there's normally a suggestion strip that appears as you type out each character so that it gives you predictions on what exactly it is that you want. But if you don't see that suggestion strip, then it means that predictive text is disabled. So in order for you to re-enable predictive text so that you can get the suggestion strip back, all you need to do is just open Settings and then scroll and select General Management. Tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings and then look for Predictive Text and tap on the toggle next to it to enable this feature. Once the feature has been enabled, you'll now notice that whenever you start typing something out, you'll see the suggestion strip has reappeared with predictions of whatever word it is that you're going to type out. And so that's how you can enable predictive text on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.